welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Corporate tax, research and development tax. In order to encourage investment, research and development, the Government of India has provided motivation in the form of various tax incentives. The incentives are basically available in respect of revenue and capital expenditure which are incurred by the entities in carrying out R&D activities related to their businesses, also including contribution to various institutions or organizations for carrying out scientific research. Research and development tax credit are valuable government relief that rewards the UK company for investing in innovations. Corporation tax will help the company to claim the tax relief only if such company is liable to corporation tax. R&D tax relief scheme. The benefit of claiming relief is available only to companies which are registered under small or medium-sized enterprise scheme or the large company scheme. Eligibility for claiming relief. The company claiming the relief should understand that R&D project seeks to achieve an advance in overall knowledge of capability in the field of science or technology. The project must be related to the company's existing business, or if it is a startup, which will be based on the result of R&D. If the company is claiming tax relief under SME scheme, it must own any intellectual property that might arise from the project. How and when to claim R&D relief? When to claim? The company can claim R&D tax relief in your CT return or amended return. The time limit for the same is 2 years after the end of the relevant CT accounting period. How to claim? The company shall claim for R&D tax relief by placing an X in either box 99 SME or box 100 large companies of your CT return, and in both cases pays the enhanced expenditure in box 101, that is actual amount spent multiplied by 230% or 130 as appropriate. If a company is SME and you want to convert some or all of the tax relief into payable tax credit, you will also need to put the amount payable to the company in box 87, box 89 and box 143 and put an X in the repayment due to for its return period. Record keeping requirements. There is no specific record keeping requirement for R&D tax relief claims, but the general requirement of CT is to keep sufficient record to support the entries of your CT return still applies. Key strength. We have dedicated R&D team with extensive experience in providing services to clients engaged in diverse industries and sectors. Our team of professionals provide advice in respect of matter relating to tax and regulatory implications and processing of potential R&D tax benefits. Key services provided by us: excess liability for claiming R&D incentives, assisting in implementing system and processes for capturing the necessary information relating to R&D incentives, assistance in preparing and processing application form relevant or recognition and approval of R&D facility, identifying the expenditure eligible for R&D incentive claims, preparation, review and facilitating R&D tax incentive claims. Also support services for realization of R&D incentive claims. R&D tax incentive, activity incentives, exportation incentives, industry tax incentives, investment based incentives, state-based incentives. We speak about Make in India, but it must be noted that there is no financial motivation to design and development in India. SCPL has been trying to get the top executive of the industry and research field, including global partners, to reach out to the government in order to make them understand the absolute loss of growth, loss of highly skilled professional and innovation in this country if we decide to go down this path. The founder of SCPL, the parent company of DSIR, in meet the principal scientific advisor, Professor Vijay Raghavan of Government of India in last week of August 2019, and the entire view of the industry and global practices about R&D incentive was submitted to his office. Thank you.